How to use CapCut AI video generator. So first you want to open up the CapCut application and make sure you're signed to your account. And using the AI features will require a pro subscription on CapCut. Now the first thing you'll need to do is click on the media tab from the top menu here, and then you want to go to the generate tab and click on it to expand it, and then select AI video. Now you can choose between these from image to video, omni-reference, text to video, or multi-frames, depending on which reference you want to use for generating videos. Now you would simply attach any image references and basically type a prompt describing the video that you want to generate. And from the bottom here, you would need to select the resolution. So you can do 480, 720, or 1080. And then you want to select the duration with a maximum of 15 seconds. Also the aspect ratio. And once everything is set up, you can click on the generate button here to start generating your video. And once it's done, you can then preview the generated video and you can drag it to your timeline, and you can make any edits or add any effects if needed. And once you're satisfied with the result, you can simply press the export button and export your video. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.